I was not going to make this video, but I've had so many friends reach out to me about their hair struggles, and I just have to share something that's been a total game changer for me, the gelatin trick. It's this simple daily ritual that's all about using gelatin to nourish your hair from the inside out. I've been doing the gelatin trick for a few months now, and I've noticed my hair is growing faster and feeling thicker, which is amazing. When you think about it, it makes sense. Gelatin is like a superfood for your hair, packed with proteins and amino acids that help strengthen your locks. My friend who's a hairstylist swears by the gelatin trick, and she's always raving about how it helps her clients achieve that lush, full hair we all crave. I've started adding the gelatin trick to my morning routine, and it's been a breeze. Just mix some gelatin with water, let it dissolve, and drink it down. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, I've got you covered. Just head to the link in my description to learn more about how to get started. And if you have any questions, be sure to check out the pinned comment below where I've shared some extra tips and tricks for making the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine.